This is the Outdoor Revolution twin burner gas stove and grill. Fantastic new addition to our gas and cooking range. As you can see here, it's got the 2 burners on top and a grill underneath for cooking toast. It is powered uniquely by screw top gas cartridges, so there's no need to buy an extra regulator or hose with this. It comes with the hose attachment, simply just need to buy the gas cartridges to screw into the end. These are widely available everywhere. We have our own Outdoor Revolution branded ones here, 450 gram cartridge, and that will give you 1 hour burn time for all 3 hobs and grill. So if you have everything on full power, it will burn for 1 hour using just 1 cartridge. Each of the hobs is 2.3 kilowatts, so that gives you about 7 minutes to boil 1 litre of water, so really effective. Of course, you've got the built-in windshield all the way around, which is really handy. It folds down, nice and compact for easy transportation.